In this video we have a look at matrices and related operations between matrices. We have this matrix A here. This is a 2 by 2 matrix. 2 corresponds to number of rows and this 2 corresponds to number of columns. And also this is a 2 by 2, 2 rows and 2 columns. The first question is to calculate the sum A plus B. Okay, we write the matrices. Plus the matrix B. And what we need to do here, both of them are 2 by 2 matrices. In order to add and subtract, they need to have the same dimensions. So here we can add them with no problem, and we do element-wise addition. Element-wise addition means that in the first row, first column, we have 2 plus 3. Here we have 9 plus 20, 12 plus 30, 24 plus 40. Okay, here the first element is 5, 29, 42 and 64. That's the A plus B. The second question is to calculate the difference of the two matrices. Again, they have the same dimensions. We can calculate the difference between the two matrices. We take away element-wise, so it's 2 minus 3, 9 minus 20, 12 minus 30, 24 minus 40. That here is minus 1, minus 11, minus 18, and minus 16. A minus B equals minus 1, minus 11, minus 18, minus 16. Question number 3, we need to find A times B. Okay, here we need to be very careful. We write the matrices down. In order to do the calculations here, the number of columns of the first matrix should be the same with the number of rows of the second matrix. So the resulting matrix should be a 2 by 2. And here what we do? First row we multiply with the first column. So it's 2 times 3 plus 9 times 30. First row with the second column, 2 times 20 plus 9 times 40. The second row with the first column, 12 times 3 plus 24 times 30. And the second row with the second column, 12 times 20 plus 24 times 40. Okay, let's do the calculations. That's 6 plus 270, 40 plus 360, 36 plus 720, 240 plus that's 16 plus 960. That's a 276. That here is 400, 756, and here we have 960 plus 240, 1200. A times B, 276, 400, 756, 1200. Okay, now let's go to question number 4. The trace of matrix A is the sum of the elements on the diagonal here. 24 add 2, which is 26. The trace of the matrix A equals 26. What is B? We write the matrix B. The trace of the matrix B is the sum of the diagonal elements on the matrix B. So the trace of B equals 43. The trace of, let's write A plus B. A plus B, what is A plus B? 5, 29, 42, 64. 5, 29, 42 and 64. The trace of A plus B equals 5 plus 64. This gives me 69. So here we notice the following, that the trace of A plus the trace of B equals the trace of A 26 at 43 equals 69. So the trace of A plus B, the trace of A plus B equals the trace of A plus the trace of B. Number 5, we need to find the transpose of the matrices 12, 24, and matrix B 3, 20, 30 and 40. We take the transpose, which means that we rotate 90 degrees clockwise. So this row becomes a column 2, 9, and this row becomes a column 12, 24. B transpose, we transpose the matrix 3, 20, and here we write 30 and 40. What is A transpose times B transpose? We need to multiply the matrices to find out. So this is 2 times 3 plus 12 times 20, this row with this column. 2 times 30 plus 12 times 40, this row with this column. 9 times 3 plus 24 times 20, first row, first column. 9 times 30 plus 24 times 40. That's 6 plus 240. 60 plus 480. 27 plus 480. 270 plus 960. 246. 540 is the second element in the matrix. 480 plus 27, sorry. 7 is 307. It's 507, sorry. And 7. So the first element here is 246, 540, 507, 1230. A transpose times B transpose equals 246, 540, 507, 1230.